Welcome back everyone, and let's continue a series on Python. So it's the 40th video of the channel. Yes. So where's the intro? Yes, the intro. And now let me erase this code. Yes. So today we're going to talk about modules. So as you know, in Python we have many modules like NumPy, then math, then we discuss functool also, and we have arrays also module. Yes, and we also have Pygame, which is also used for making games. And we also have I forgot the name of many more of other modules. So these modules contain functions which we need to import, like we import modules in this Python. We also import functions from module, like from math import add, like this, square root, like this. I can also import everything from module by this star. You can also have asterisk. So this is the specialty of modules. And today we're going to talk about another module, which is calc. As you know, we define functions like add, subtract, multiply, div also while we were making calculator in previous video, also in decorators video. So this a model named calc. So we'll do like this: from calc import add. And you know that we don't have calc as a module, so we're gonna make it. You know that we can make a module also like this. I'm gonna do this. Write new, and I can the file calc. No, not black. Calc. Now enter. Okay, that's fine. No. I think I should delete it now. And then I'm going to make new file, Python file, which is important. Now I'm going to write calc. Enter. And you see we have got calc.py. And now here I'm going to define functions like add. So let me define it. You can see I've made these functions. Now I can import these functions. Now some of you would want to say why you cheated us, and we can do it in the calculator video also. I did that because I don't introduce you to modules. So now I've introduced, now we can use that, and you can make calculators like this also. And now I'm going to import right from calc import, that we use this, then sum is equal to, I can also make numbers like a is equal to 4, yes, a is equal to 8, comma b is equal to 4, and now I can write sum. Now I can write c is equal to add a comma b, d is equal to sub a comma b. Likewise, E multiply A comma B and divide A comma B, and then oh I think I don't need to write this. I can easily do this. Print here, then again print here, likewise here, and here also. Here. In programming, we need that we have to shorten the code and make it informative. And there's a idiom which is Gagar mein sagar bharna, which means that in small sentence we can tell big things. So the one who shortens the code and tells much more than the one with larger code, he is more smart. He is smarter. So I'm going to run this code and let's check. Yes, 8 plus 4 12, 8 minus 4 4, 4 2 is 32, and we discussed 8 divided by 4 is 2. So these are modules. So I'm going to end the video here only. If you like the video, then please press the like button, and if not subscribed channel, then what are you waiting for? So I'm going to see you next time. Till then, bye bye.